Hello everybody, welcome back to another video where I teach you how to program with Python. Today you're going to be learning how to turn your turtle, how to set its position to wherever you want, and how to make it print things. Let's start with how to make it turn. One moment. How do I shrink this? Like that, right? Yes. There we go. So, first you're going to put the name of your turtle, and then you're going to put dot left or dot right, whichever one you'd prefer. I'm going to do dot left because this worked for me in the past better. And then inside your parentheses, you're going to put how many degrees you'd like it to turn. 90 will make it face exactly to the left or right of where it is currently facing. 180 will make it turn around as if it were startled by something behind it. And 360 will just make it do a full spin like it's trying to become a ballerina. So let's see if this works. It does. So now our turtle turns left before moving. Very nice. By the way, at the end of the last video, I couldn't get to work. This is what the running code did. So now we know how to make our turtle turn, but what if we don't want it to turn or go forward? What if we just want it to be somewhere? We can do that. Teleport is a later on command, but it functions basically the same as the one I'm teaching you now. Set pause, also known as set position. You enter a pair of numbers like 271 and 167. And then you just run it. And your turtle will go to those coordinates. By the way, your turtle will always start at 0, 0 on the screen. For us, 0, 0 is right in the middle. Everybody's screens will have it in the middle. For us, our screen is 600 wide and 600 tall, meaning it extends from the middle 300 to the right, 300 up, 300 to the left, and 300 down. Negative numbers are down and to the left, while positive ones are up or to the right. Now that you know how to set your position and make them turn, I'm going to show you how to make it tell you things. All you gotta do is input print, and then inside the parentheses, you're going to put quotation marks, and then inside the quotation marks, you're going to put what you want the turtle to tell you. Subscribe to Archer Cat 3000. And you know what? YOLO. Now I'm going to run it. The turtle does nothing. But down in my terminal is a different whole deal. Subscribe to Archer Cat 3000. Now do it. Do it! Also, if you want to clear out your terminal, like it's getting crowded, just type in hem. Once you've closed out this little window, you're just going to type in clear, and it's emptied. So now, you know how to print, you know how to set position, and you know how to turn. Now I'm going to teach you how to do a function. It's pretty much just however we did main, but we're going to do it a little bit of a cool way. DEF, then name of your function, whatever you want to call it. I'm just going to call it function A. And then you're going to put parentheses, a colon, and click enter. At this point, you can pretty much put whatever you want inside, but for this example, we're going to put forward, or no, dustbringer dot forward, and then how much we want to go forward. Let's say 50, and then dustbringer dot right 90. And now you're going to learn how to do a loop. You're going to tab both of these over, and you're going to put for I in range, parentheses, colon, And inside right here, you're going to tell how many times you want to go. Let's go with 4. That will draw a square for us. So now, inside of main, if we just say function A and run it. What? Why didn't it? Did I do something wrong with it again? Oh wait, I don't think I passed it in, did I? Oh wait, that's the problem. Forgot the parentheses. Very common thing for people to do. So I'm going to close this, it'll open a new one. Yeah, look, draws a little square for us. But what if we wanted it to, after that, then the Springer dot right 10 degrees. And all that right there tabs over, and we put it inside of another loop. Watch this, y'all. This is gonna look cool. Boom. Now, if you want to go faster, you can set your turtle speed like this. 10, okay, so 1 is the slowest. 2 is faster, 3 is faster than 2, until you get to 10. 10 is normally the fastest, but if you set it to 0, it will basically just start teleporting. Like this. Yeah, how long is this thing gonna go for again? Okay, it stopped. Anyway, wait, what if I change this forward to, 100? Bigger squares. 200, I bet, would look sick. Run that. Oh, yeah. Barely inside, but definitely inside. What if we changed it to 10.5 degrees? I wonder what that would do. It looks the same at first, but what about? Yes, after the first loop, it'll keep making more and more. Oh, this looks awesome. Also, we can increase how many times the big thing does it. 10 times more. Look at this thing go. I'm literally just relaxing back and watching the show. You can't see it, but I am. This is awesome. By the way, if you want to see more coding videos, tell me in the comments, because I'm actually really enjoying these. Oh, wow, look at this. No, that looks like an optical illusion. That is so cool. It looks like a wormhole. It looks like a wormhole viewed from, like, right before you enter it. That's so cool. Why is my turtle still going? Okay, I want to figure out how many it takes for it to finish making, like, the wormhole thingy. Let's see. Go faster. Wow, this is fun. Like, just watching all of those little gaps get filled in is kind of satisfying. Wow. Okay, so it just finished. Let's try dropping it to 250. Is that how many we need it to do? What the, wow, I bugged that out a bit. Don't know if you guys could see it, but I definitely could. Let's see if this guy can finish the wormhole at only 250 loops. So he's finished filling in all the little slots, but there's still some spots on the outside that he needs to finish. And yeah, he finished it. But pretty much immediately he was done. So let's change it to 240, 245. Let's see if that's what we need. Let's see if we can finish, if the turtle can finish like that. And he finishes filling in all those things. Does he finish going around the outside? He does. Okay. So yeah, I'd say that this is pretty much perfect. But what if we changed it to 10 times that amount? Would it do more than what we've seen so far? Pretty much what we're doing so far is just testing the limits of what this one little program can do just by changing how many times it loops. I don't know about you guys, but I'm really enjoying making these coding videos, and I hope you guys are learning something from them. Let's see. I'm watching the middle. Will it start like filling in those tiny gaps? I don't think it is. Yeah, I think it kind of hit its limit, but we can fix that quite easily. If we do that, it will basically just become a more detailed version. Watch. Okay, this is looking really cool. This is looking real neat. Oh, wow. If you look at the middle and then look at the edges, it's so trippy. There's also like a blackish line, like a ring forming around it. This is so cool looking. Oh, now it's kind of like shading it? That's so cool. Oh my gosh. And remember, y'all, this is just a bunch of squares that are rotated in fancy ways. But it looks awesome. And there's just like that pitch black hole at the middle. It's so cool. Whoa. Wow. Oh my gosh. This is so cool. This is so cool. What in the world? This is awesome. This is better than what I had in mind. Oh my. Also, guys, please comment your favorite animal in the comment section down below if you've watched this far. And if you want, so comment your favorite animal, and then if you want me to use it in my next video, like mention it, put a emoji right before the animal's name. My next video, hopefully, will be ranking your guys' favorite animals. But only if I can get enough people to put their favorite animals down below. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. It looks like This looks like some kind of like sci-fi space hologram something. I don't even know how to describe it. It's insane. Wow. I wonder. How long will this thing go for? Good golly. It's still going. I don't think it's even like changing it at all at this point. I think it's just going. This is like just looking at it kind of hurts my brain. Like, does it look like it's popping in or is it like popping out? Like, what am I looking at? Wow. This looks so This looks so cool, but I think I'm going to have to be ending the video in a minute. Hmm. Anyway, it looks like, yeah, that functioned just fine. Alrighty. Well, that's the video. If you guys have any ideas for future videos, if you want to see more coding, drop it in the comments along with your favorite animal. If you enjoy my content, please leave a like, and if you want to see more, subscribe. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!